machine is currently powered off. Press and hold the power button to turn on the machine. Two modes are available. The first mode runs without water, so it does not reduce indoor temperature, and only provides air supply. Tap the M button in the lower left corner. Switch to cooling mode. The machine will automatically add water to provide a cooling effect. After the cooling mode is activated, the blower will start running after a 20-second delay. The machine is now operating in cooling mode. The current outdoor temperature in Dhaka is 31 C. After operating for some time, the temperature has dropped to 22 C, which is 8 C lower than the outdoor temperature. There are 3 adjustable fan speed levels. This is the minimum fan speed. The fan speed is approximately 6,000 revolutions per minute. The second speed is approximately 7,000 revolutions per minute, and the third is approximately 8,000 revolutions per minute. Press and hold the power button to turn off the machine.